My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware called CyberVolk ransomware. This ransomware actually scares people a lot and it deceives people. It tricks people into wasting money in the favor of the developers of this ransomware. This CyberVolk ransomware is a dangerous piece of infection that may be easily infiltrated into the computer. As a consequence, users are not able to use their files. The ransomware then tells the victims to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. But of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to actually remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. The best place for you to get Combo Cleaner is on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to click on this start scan button. After that, the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the antivirus database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching and investigating your computer, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. In that summary of the threats you will be able to know all the information regarding threats and their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium version, and this is the best way to keep your data always protected. By the way, this CyberVolk appends this cvenc extension to the file names, so upgrade to premium and your data will be always protected from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.